Hello, my wonderful friends. How are you? It's so nice to see you this afternoon. Now, I am Deb. You are in the office with Deb. And today I am talking about organizing with attention deficit disorder. Now, normally I don't talk about attention deficit or ADHD because I am not the expert in it. However, I learned from experience and from school from being that what do you call it? I was like coat mom at school, and everyone used to tell me you need to be a teacher. I just had this gift with kids. But anyway, I'm going to tell you a story of how to get organized with ADD because I know what I suggested to my client worked. Now, she came to me because she needed help. Both her and her husband, she said they both got ADD. They're busy people. They both work. They're constantly busy. They've got 3 kids. All boys. They're a very busy family. So anyway, she kept saying he wants me to get in the garage with him and organize the garage. I can't do it. I can't stay focused. I can't do it. I kept telling her, don't worry about it. Here's what we're going to do. Tell him you're going to set a date and a time, and you're going to do it in a small amount of time. Say, I will give you whatever, if you want to choose 20 minutes, half hour, I told her, and we will start organizing in the garage on the weekend. And he was ecstatic to get it done. So anyway, and I told her, let him, since he's the one asking for it, let him decide what area he wants to start with and what he wants to do. Give him the control, since he kept bugging her and bugging her. She's like, I really can't afford more than 20 minutes, half an hour. I can't do it. So I said, we're going to take down the time and see what happens. So it comes time, they get in the garage. She says to him, well, where do you want to start? He says, over here. The kids' stuff is all in my area. My toolbox and this, I can't get in my toolbox. All their sports equipment. We didn't get it put away from last year. She's like, fine. Do you want to start here? And he's like, or where do you want to start? And he picked up the item, handed it to her. She took it, put it in the right kid's tote for the sports equipment. Each kid has their own tote for their sports equipment. And he kept handing it to her, and she put it away and got it done. They cleared out that one area in 20 minutes. He says to her, I'm happy. I'm done. She's like, oh, okay, all right. And she was amazed how much that little area and getting the stuff back into the boys' totes made a big difference. She said, I would have never had to believe that because I know we can't stay focused long. She said, he's happy for now. He's not bugging me. She was thrilled that it was done, and it only took 20 minutes. So that worked for them. Like I said, I'm not claiming to be an expert, but if you want to try that, because nobody has that big chunk of time to sit in the garage for hours, Some do, very few, but most don't. Write that project down, break it down by area, break it down by time. Whatever you have to do. Heck, I don't want to stay focused on that project like that for 2 hours at a time. I want to be doing other things. I don't want to be spending 2 hours in a garage sweating and, organizing either. So that's just the way it is. So that's my thoughts. And I'm curious to hear what you think. How do you stay focused on a project? Let me know if you're watching the video. #replay. If you need some organizing ideas, talk to me about a home consultation, and we'll get you and your family on board with organizing. And we'll get the kids on board, get them organizing too if that's what you need. And in this case, hubby was even on board, her husband. So, I can't stay focused. I cannot organize. I will get you motivated to get you started, and we'll get you rocking and rolling. Bye, my wonderful friends. Let me know your thoughts on the video, and I will see you on my page.